Almond milk is a popular dairy replacement milk for adults. But babies' needs for nutrition are different for their growth and development. Does it meet the growth requirements of nutrients? Is almond milk good for babies and toddlers? In this video we will take a closer look at almond milk to find answers to those questions. Let's begin with what doctors recommend. There is no better substitute for breast milk, so most doctors recommend that babies younger than 1 year old should continue to drink breast milk for their growth and development. They can switch to formula milk if breast milk is not available. But switching to cow's milk is not recommended before the first birthday. Almond milk is becoming popular among adults. Can it replace cow's milk in babies? The answer is not a simple, straightforward one, as there are significant nutritional differences between cow's milk and almond milk. Though almond milk is safe for babies, there are two important differences between cow's milk and almond milk you should be aware of. 1. A baby needs fat for brain development. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, a cup of whole cow's milk contains about 8 grams of fat as compared to 2.5 grams of unsweetened almond milk. 2. A baby requires proteins for overall growth. According to USDA, whole cow's milk also has high protein content as compared to almond milk. It contains about 8 grams of protein in 1 cup, whereas unsweetened almond milk contains only 1 gram. So these gaps of fat and protein content must be filled up in other diets if you switch from cow's milk to almond milk for babies. Both milks have good amounts of vitamins and minerals. Commercially available cow milk and almond milk are fortified with vitamin A and vitamin D, which is good. But added ingredients in almond milk such as thickeners and sweeteners are not ideal for a child. So, homemade almond milk is a safer option. If a child has lactose intolerance, then dairy milk is not suitable, and if the child has nut allergy, then almond milk is not suitable. So you have other choices like rice milk, oat milk and other plant-based milk. Bottom line is, almond milk is safe for babies and toddlers above the age of 1 year. It is low in fat and protein as compared to cow milk, so other diets should compensate for these deficiencies. Homemade almond milk is better for babies as compared to commercially available with thickeners and sweeteners. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.